Hey guys, welcome back to Real Estate Investing. In this video, you'll learn directly from a lending professional how to qualify for unsecured loans for your deals. Also, our Zoom connection gets pretty crackly around the middle of the video, but I really wanted to be sure that you guys got the info about her fix and flip workshop. So I kept it in and put in some captions. So just bear with us. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Joy, and today we have a funding broker with us, and she's going to tell you guys how to get your real estate deals funded. Hello.
Hi, I'm Shalawn Backstrom from LHP Initiatives. I am a funding broker. I'm also a real estate investor. I got interested in real estate around the age of 16. My mom became a real estate broker, so I love property, I love land, I love buying stuff for cheap. So that's my story.
Okay, perfect. So to start off, if you can tell us when people are going to get financed, what are the lenders looking for?
Looking for a credit score of 680. Our approval rate is 98%. We can get you funded if you're 650, but it lowers our approval rate. It's a little bit harder if you're between 650 and 680 is a little bit more challenging, but 680 is the sweet spot. For our company, no new lines of credit within the last 6 months. They like for you to have 3 open trade lines. It could be a credit card, a mortgage, a car note. Your debt to income ratio, we like it 50% and below. And we take self-employed individuals and 1099 contractors, and of course W-2 employees, as long as your minimum income is $30,000 a year annually.
Okay, so your credit is important and your income is important, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, all right. So then if someone wants just like a short list of like the top whatever number of things to getting approved, what will you say those things will be?
A lot of people, we call it credit inquiry bandits. Stop letting people run your credit over and over again. That's what we don't. Credit inquiries have to be less than 6 in the last year and less than 4 in the last 6 months. But a lot of people jump around from vendor to vendor, letting them run their credit. So that's what I see the most. I see people with credit scores in the 700s, deep 700s, but they've had all these inquiries within the last 6 months.
Okay.
So I would say decrease your inquiries, and again, continue to work on your credit, pay your bills on time. No new open trade lines within the last 6 months.
Okay. And with the inquiries, do you have an idea of, how much does that ding a person every time you see an inquiry on their credit report?
As a former inquiry bandit myself, you really only lose like 1 to 2 points from your inquiries, but it's just that we see you as risky because you're constantly shopping around for credit.
Right. Okay, perfect. So now can you talk to us a little bit about the type of funding that you provide at your firm?
Sure, we provide an unsecured personal loan, so it does count against your personal credit. An unsecured loan is a loan with no collateral, and it is riskier for the lender to provide unsecured loans, but on the flip side, in regards to the borrower, it helps because we have the ability to fund you more than what the bank would fund you. Usually your standard bank, your PNCs, your Bank of America's is going to go 25% of your gross income, whereas we have the ability to go maybe 3-4 times more than the traditional bank.
Okay, so you can get a higher loan amount and you don't have to put anything up against it to secure it, correct?
Right. You don't have to show that you own this car outright or you own any property. Nothing is tied to this loan. Nothing at all. You use the funds for anything you want to.
Okay, so tell me, what type of customers do you serve usually?
Right. 70% of our clients are real estate investors. As a real estate investor myself, I have a lot of people reaching out to me for advice. The number one thing I want to tell people about our product is that we are all about creating generational wealth. So when a client calls me, they need to tell me their plan. And if the numbers don't make sense, I will not proceed with the loan. I do have a day job. I am a registered nurse, and I pride myself on having a high level of integrity.
You guys, so this is where it got super crackly. But what she was saying is that she has a fix and flip workshop, and it's really good for new investors who don't know kind of which direction to go. So what happens with that is you get a loan with Shalawn and LHP Initiatives. They will show you how to use the funds to purchase your property. The company pays for the repairs, and then when the house is sold, everybody makes a cut of the money.
Okay, that's awesome. And that's one of the benefits of having a broker that is also an investor, because then they can kind of guide you a little bit and they have those resources. So you said you have a virtual fix and flip program, and I'm going to put all this stuff in the description and put links and everything, but where can people find out more information about that?
They can go to my website, www.lhpicapital.com, or they can reach out to me at 313-304-9337.
Okay, perfect. So anything else that you would like to share today?
I just say keep going. I did a post recently about, this is my advice for women, analysis paralysis. I feel like if I wouldn't have overthought certain situations, I would be further than what I am now. But women, we have the weight of the world on our shoulders, so we're very cautious about our decisions, whereas men jump right out there and do it, and they deal with the consequences later. So I would just encourage anybody looking to get into real estate, make that move, make your first move, just start taking action. You have researched it enough, please take some action.
Yes, just get started, because that's what's hard for a lot of people, is just taking that first step. They'll read all the books and attend all the seminars and still haven't made the first step. And I can speak from experience. Like once I bought the first property, then I was like, okay, I really feel like I've done something now. So totally agree with you on that.
Yes. And one more thing, I like the comfort of a 9-to-5 job, but the world's changing. I became a nurse because I love to help people. But even with me, I work for a federal government hospital, and early 2019, they didn't pay their employees. I got paid, but I was like, okay, what if this affects me next time? So I am a strong believer in multiple streams of income.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, totally. Me too. And especially like with this COVID situation now, that's really gotten me to focus more on the things that I can do to create those passive income streams and to be able to take care of myself without depending on a paycheck for someone else. So in my opinion, like real estate is that thing. So, yeah.
Yes, it is. I love real estate.
So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us today. I will definitely put your information in the description section so that everybody can get to know you a little bit more and get more of your amazing knowledge. For the people that are watching, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see you again next week.